Welcome back to the channel. Now, while law enforcement search to try to find the location for the body of the Moody twins, some are already speculating that the perpetrators of the crime are on the run, seeing that from the voice notes circulating social media. Him said the place at, him go left the place. A term criminals use for say law enforcement in the area. Some believe that that is a hint that wherever this crime took place, law enforcement was in the area. Now, whether or not that location is close to where the Moody twins were living is unknown. And what this individual known to law enforcement, him say, I left because the place at. You sound like an individual who had run-ins with the law. Now, regardless of the alleged lifestyle that Kenisha Moody allegedly lived, and this is just based on the fact that she was allegedly involved with a known gangster and ammunition was found in her purse, even though those charges were later dropped, and with the allegation saying that scammer money was stolen, hinting that she was involved in some way in that scammer criminal lifestyle. People are still saying justice should be served and her family should get, well, both their family. Because we talk about siblings, brother and sister, we have the same last name. Clearly them share both parents. Both sides of the family gonna need closure. Them no need to put them parents through that situation. Why put a video like that on social media without allowing the parents to properly put them children to rest? So another video on social media with an individual who is alleged to be the Moody siblings' father. Like him on a construction worker or something. Seemingly intoxicated, but distraught nonetheless. I said, now hear from him, mute them. I'm not like for most of them, alright? No. For the younger generation, Jamaicans who are grow up and is still enticed by the life of crime and violence, we don't see them detriment. We don't see that the criminal lifestyle only lead to a early grave. And for most, the riches where them seek is never obtained. And the few who get rich don't stay rich for long. Now, a popular YouTuber from overseas visited the Jamaican island and interviewed some criminals. So I think what them say, and not necessarily new news, but definitely shocking when they hear it from the individuals who are seemingly living that lifestyle. From criminals being sponsored by officials to criminals being easily grouped together and organized by individuals who have money. And in this day and age, the scammers. Let me hear what I go on that we can't tell the reason. Look and listen.
If I offered you $1 million to kill someone, would you do that?
Right now, I remember saying nothing now go on and we tell us that we don't have no work, no job, so that is like a job to we. Probably me wouldn't even get the job, because 10, 20 man want it before even me.
The hierarchy, the way the gangs work in Jamaica, so I'm realising you've got soldiers and you've got dons.
Yeah, you have dons and you have followers that follow back at the don them same way.
So how did you get to become a don?
Well, you have to kill people. And people know you as a serial, so them respect you as a killer.
If the don wants someone killed, would he have to pay?
Don just want to say, one talk and I eat that. All 17, 15 man want to go.
So people would kill for the don for nothing?
Right now.
And how long does it take to become a don, or is there no time frame? Is it just based on how many people you kill?
No, all depends. You have to born and grow in an area, and you're there in the area and you respect Jew people. Can look up to you and say, well, this man is fit to run the place, or from the councillor give you the don or the MP, say well him are the don, you know you have to just work with that, because the MP them powerful enough. And the MP them tell you all these things what them are going to do for you or what them are going to make happen for you, and we still not see nothing, so we have to just go and live the way we can live for better come. We don't want in a bush every day. I live bush life, can't get no good night's sleep, we can't even rest in our bed in peace, because we have to look out our eye. We not live comfortable. We not even eat proper. So we can sit down on a stove to say we are going to cook a pot. Cause we have to look, so we have to just mostly grab a box food or grab a snacks and know so we that. That's how we live in Jamaica.
And that's what I'm trying to capture, bro, because no one really knows that's happening.
People knowing about people just be a blind eye to it. Even the MP them will call up and sometimes so them know what is going on and know what is taking place. Sometimes it's even them give with the gun them too.
And let's say I wanted to buy a gun, how much would it cost me?
The bigger the gun and the bigger the money. You want a look and a look spinners, you have one look 250 and 300,000, you get one look spinners. That's how most man get done to. Cause they come in here and see man like we, they can support the thing, them buy real 5, 6, 7 gun, 8 gun. So we have to say, yeah, this is money I done, you know. Because remember, you have strengthen the thing, you know. We don't have the powers, we don't have the money. So you have the money, you have the power, so we are going to give you that shit. Because you have the money for strengthen the thing. Go to jail, you can find lawyer for it. So Jamaica is like this. The more money you have, the more powers you have. Because money is powers in Jamaica. The crime and the violence would try to change that because it's so wicked. Sometimes my little grandson gone out there and I fret for him. Cause so for show you how it's serious. We live in a Jamaica but it's very hard and rough and tough, but you don't know how we have to live. Cause you don't know if we not have this, we can't live. Respect and manners to Jamaica people.
I hope your situation changes, bro, both of you. I hope you're able to make it out of this environment, bro.
Yeah, we wish every day and pray to for things change and better cause every youth in our community will like better. Just like how you can come in and talk to you and make you feel look comfortable in the community. Cause right now, you know, long we don't see somebody like you to come on and say, Ray, you make you feel so good in our community. So people like you want in our country.
Thank you for your time, bro.
You're welcome. Big up yourself.
Now, sad to say, but is criminal activity we see take place, not just on the island, but across the world, strongly based on mindset. Is the generation we are forward up consumed by the thoughts of quick money, the thoughts of making it in a shorter time span than their forefathers, achieving more than their parents had achieved, but finding a shortcut to that success, which, as we have seen, there is none. There is no shortcut to success. And for many Jamaicans who get involved in criminal activity, the benefit is almost zero. And for most, it is zero. These individuals pointed out that them can't eat a good meal. It is not as glamorous as entertainment might make it seem. And we're not just talking about the music. We are talking about the movies, the video games, the show them, the TV show them. And in some scenarios, these forms of entertainment are not necessarily endorsing or glorifying the actions and the content. Sometimes them are documented, showcase what take place in the inner city, showcase what take place in certain parts of the world. But to young minds, this by me misinterpreted, and some individuals capitalize upon that misinterpretation. You have seen it. Entertainers who pretend to be gangsters will find out they are not gangsters, only pretended to do so for sell records. And why people might draw a line between music and say movies is that most people readily know that actors are acting. Even if you know say these actors grew up in inner city communities are, them come from that type of background. For the better part, most people believe actors are actors. For musicians, it's different. In some scenarios, when the movie is over, people address the actors by the names of the characters or them that act like. But for the better part, most A-list celebrity actors are addressed by their names. Their full name, first, last name. For entertainers, sometimes no matter how popular you become, even A-list musicians are still known by them stage name. People still call Jay-Z, Jay-Z. People still call 50 Cent, 50 Cent. Even though their correct names are known to the public. But people almost assume that the music where entertainers sing about or create is directly inspired by the life that they have lived or are currently living. Which is in some scenarios true. Some entertainers are actually living that lifestyle and then just use music to give you a window into the lifestyle that they have been live and is still living. For some, it's still in the realm of entertainment. They are nowhere near the characters they portray on stage, in music videos, and in lyrical content. But people misinterpret. I have a whole generation of people who feel like the quote-unquote gangster lifestyle is a lavish one. Based on what them individuals I say, it is far from that. Nowhere near lavish. And these individuals, if given the opportunity, sound like they not change them life. It sound like if them get the opportunity now for go in a different country overseas, start them life over, work, then would I do it? Not the same for some. As I always said, the mindset is at play. Where people feel like there's a shortcut to success. And them feel like criminal activity is one of those shortcuts. Even though based upon what we say, there's not been a shortcut for many. Unless you say a shortcut to the grave. Talk to me in the comment section. Tell me what you think. Until the reason again, my sentiments for you and yours are for to live, love and prosper and for to stay tuned.